Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Francilyn Gonzalez from Davao City, direct distributor of lifestyles. Before, I was food vendor, have two children. Now, I will present to you the lifestyles company, the opportunity, and the products.
Company profile. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada, present in more than 30 countries but now 42 countries already. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. More than 36 years of proven success. Proud member of Direct Selling Association DSA member. Anong problema? Bakit tayo nagkakasakit? Our modern diseases is due to modern lifestyle related to number 1, unhealthy eating habits. Number 2, lack of exercise. So, hindi ka nag-exercise, tulog ka ng tulog. And number 3, stress. So, number 4 is environmental pollution. Our product is Intra. Intra has 23 herbs that supports our 8 body system. Ano ang matutulong ni Intra sa ating katawan? Number 1, detoxifier siya. Support healthy cardiovascular system din. And then, antioxidant, support nervous systems, balance hormones. Napakaganda ng product na Intra. Just because only Intra can support the 8 biological system. So, ang dami niyang natutulungan. Maraming ngayon, mga products, so herbal products like Koji Juice. Ang natutulong ni Koji Juice is yung mga check na 4, pero yung wala, yung bakante, hindi niya natutulungan. Hindi katulad ni Intra, check lahat. Kaya niyang tulungan ang ating 8 biological system. Mula ulo hanggang lapalapa, kaya niyang tulungan sa ating katawan. One of our product is Nutria Plus. The Nutria Plus, powerful antioxidant. Pinipigilan ni Nutria ang pagdami ng cancer sa ating katawan. At then, tissue repairs and reduce inflammation. Prevent skin damage. So, meron ka ng UV protection sa ating skin. At then, meron din siyang anti-aging activity. So, gaganda ka talaga kay Nutria Plus. Our next product is Fiber Life. A unique plant fiber. Nakapapayat po siya. Appetite control po siya. Katulad ng obesity, tinutulungan po niya ating katawan. Gumagawa siya ng sponge para linisin ang ating colon system. B po is blood sugar levels. Pinapaganda niya po yung ating blood sugar levels. Fights type 2 diabetes. Yes po. Sa C is cholesterol heart diseases. Siya po ang tumutulong sa maging healthy ang ating heart. Cardiolab contains vitamin, minerals, and plant extract, including Vita MK7. Scientifically formulated for healthy blood flow to promote. Next product natin, si Cardiolife. Healthy heart, stronger bones, and healthy brain. The product quality, premium quality natural source product manufactured under the world's most stringent quality control. Regulated by Healthy Canada. Measured by GMP and HACCP. Scientific formulated to meet our healthy requirements. So, nindot kayo itong product, no? Carefully tested by independent ISO certified laboratories to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. So, paano ka mag-invest sa lifestyles para maging distributor? Meron po kaming Instant Direct, which is 30% off. Kailangan mo lang po mag-pay ng 105,960 and you can get 710 Better Together kit, which worth of 147,050. Plus, napaka-generous ni Lifestyle, no? Nagbibigay po siya ng 9 intra free worth of 16,650. Pwede inumin, pwede din i-benta. So, very nice kaayo, no? And then, the profit in savings, 57,740. And the ROI is 54%. And meron din po kaming Express Direct. You must pay 64,480. At ang makukuha nyo pong product niyan is 9 Better Together Kit, which worth 77,850. 3 Intra bottle worth of 5,550. Profit in saving, 18,920. The ROI is 29%. Meron po kaming accidental insurance worth of 1 million lang naman. And the next purchase nyo po, you can get 40% discount in next purchase. So, nandito na po tayo sa retail and profit. In one Intra Juice, worth of 1,800, meron ka na pong 40% discounted niyan. So, meron kang ginansya na 720. So, nindot kayo, no? Kaya ang minimum wage, malampasan pa niya. So, and then, sa Better Together Kit is 8,400 siya. So, meron ka namang 40% discount. So, your generate this income is 3,360. So, dako kayo, no? Ang imuhang income sa isa pa lang ka kit. 30 days nga Better Together Kit income mo. Sa 30 days, meron ka ng 100,800. So, dako kayo siya, no? Kung naana ka sa lifestyles, kay dako ang kitaan. So, how to get a passive income on this opportunity? So, explain this. Ikaw ni, tapos may nagpasok sa'yo si A. So, si A, nag-invite siya ng 4 people. So, meron kang 2,430 sa 4 people ni A. So, 9,720. And then si B, nag-invite din siya ng 2 people, which you can have 2,430 sa invite niya na 2 people. So, you have total 4,860. So, sa kay A o kay B, na income mo pa lang worth of 14,580. And then, meron ka pa mang C at saka D. Si C, nag-Express Direct. Si D is Instant Direct. And then, kay C, nagkaroon ka ng 14,580. And then kay D, nagkaroon ka ng 16,065. And then, meron ka pang free, which worth of 16,650 na intra. So, nagka-total ito is 47,295. So, malaki talaga siya, no? Nindot kayo. And sa 1 month mo pa lang yan na trabaho, a total of 61,875. So, dako dyan siya. O passive income per month possible. Dito na tayo. Guide to Financial Freedom. So, Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Active income. The active income is employee. Ikaw to, nagtatrabaho ka. So, employed ka. So, nag-generate ka ng income by your time. And then, self-employed, active income din siya, self-employed, katulad ng mga doktor. Kung ikaw, nagbebenta ka din, self-employed, nagbebenta ka, meron kang mini grocery, self-employed po yan. Dito po, sa passive income, business owner ka. May nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. So, hindi kailangan nga ikaw ang magtrabaho. So, that generates passive income. asset working for you. And si I, investor. So, nag-invest siya para meron siyang passive income. So, ano po ating gagawin para meron po tayong passive income? To transfer to the right side of the quadrant using asset building program. The asset building program, phase 1, wealth creation, earth seed money from lifestyle business. Phase 2, wealth multiplication, build asset like real estate. Phase 3, wealth preservation, earn passive income, and be free. So, hindi ka na kailangan magtrabaho para magka-income. Kasi, ang katawan natin, hindi naman tayo on health always. So, mas maganda talaga yung meron tayong passive income. Why do we earn seed money from lifestyles? Bakit natin gagawin? To build network publication using the system. So, ikaw TCU, syempre nag-avail ka ng instant or express direct. Syempre, nag-iisa ka pa lang. Siyempre, tinuruan ka ng upline mo, nag-invite ka ng 6 person. So, naniwala sila sa iyo. Sa 6 person, tinuruan. At nag-invite din sila hanggang naging 36. And then, naging 36, nag-invite. And then, naging 216. Hanggang naging 1,296 na sila. And then, so on, so forth, nag-invite, naging 7,776. And then, gumawa ka na ng organization mo, na lumaki talaga yung organization mo. Kasi nagsipag ka. Hanggang naging 9,330 na sila. This 1,866 people, nag-order sila ng 3 Better Together kit. And then, this 1,866, kasi nag-order sila, you have a royalty bonus of 1,511,460 lang naman per month. So, very big talaga siya. So, sino bang hindi gusto sa lifestyles, no? Big opportunity, big income, at passive income talaga siya. Why you can't do the lifestyle business? So, I will invite you all. Good morning and thank you.